If you're filming adventures in 2026, your camera needs to handle more than just great video. It has to survive water, dust, crashes, and everything in between. Whether you're surfing, biking, traveling, or capturing outdoor content, today's action cameras are tougher and more powerful than ever. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best waterproof action cameras you can buy right now, so stick around to see which action cameras are the best. As always, you can find the best deals and links in the description below. Now, let's jump right in. On number 5, we have the Akaso Brave 8 Lite. This is the kind of action camera that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to start capturing your adventures. What makes the Brave 8 Lite appealing is its simplicity. It's built to be straightforward and beginner-friendly, which makes it a great option for people just getting into action cameras. Whether you're filming bike rides, beach trips, or travel moments, it's easy to pick up and start recording without dealing with complicated settings. Video quality is solid for casual use, especially if you're shooting in good lighting. Footage looks sharp enough for social media, travel videos, or everyday content. The built-in stabilization also helps smooth out shaky footage when you're walking, riding, or moving around, making clips look much more watchable. Another thing people appreciate is the waterproof design. You can take it out in the rain, use it near the pool, or bring it along for water activities without worrying too much about damaging it. For an entry-level camera, that level of durability is a big plus. Of course, compared to the premium cameras higher on this list, the Brave 8 Lite doesn't deliver the same level of image quality or advanced features. Low light performance and stabilization aren't quite as refined. But for beginners or casual users who want a simple, affordable action camera to capture everyday adventures, the Akaso Brave 8 Lite is a very practical place to start. Number 4. Insta360 X5. This camera takes a completely different approach compared to traditional action cameras, and that's what makes it so interesting. Instead of capturing a single forward view, the X5 records everything around you in full 360 degrees. That means you don't have to worry as much about framing the perfect shot while you're riding, skiing, or exploring. Just start recording, and later you can choose the angles you want during editing. It's a very different experience compared to standard action cameras. The stabilization is also one of the highlights. Insta360 software does an incredible job smoothing out movement, so even rough activities like biking or running still produce stable footage. Combined with the invisible selfie stick effect, it creates those floating third-person shots that look almost like a drone is following you. Another strong point is the creative flexibility. With the Insta360 app, you can reframe clips, track subjects automatically, and quickly export vertical or horizontal videos for different platforms. For content creators who like experimenting with different styles of footage, this opens up a lot of possibilities. Of course, 360 cameras come with a small trade-off. Because you're reframing footage after recording, the final resolution can be slightly lower than what you'd get from a traditional forward-facing action camera. But if you want something that captures every angle and gives you incredible creative freedom when editing, the Insta360 X5 is easily one of the most unique action cameras you can buy. At number 3, we have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This is one of those cameras that feels incredibly balanced the moment you start using it. What really stands out here is how well it handles challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're filming at sunset, in shaded forests, or during cloudy outdoor shoots, the Action 5 Pro manages to keep footage clean and detailed. Colors look natural, highlights stay controlled, and overall image quality feels very polished. Stabilization is another area where DJI does an excellent job. Their rock-steady system keeps footage smooth even when you're moving quickly. Whether you're riding a bike, running on trails, or mounting the camera to a helmet, the results stay impressively stable without looking overly processed. The dual touchscreen design also makes the camera very practical. Having a front screen is extremely helpful for vlog-style recording or framing yourself while talking to the camera. It's one of those features that seems small at first, but quickly becomes something you rely on. Battery performance is another strong point. Compared to many older action cameras, the Action 5 Pro can last noticeably longer during continuous shooting sessions, which is great for travel days or outdoor adventures. Overall, the Osmo Action 5 Pro feels like a dependable all-rounder. It delivers excellent video quality, strong stabilization, and a user-friendly design that works well for both beginners and experienced creators. Number 2. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This camera is clearly designed with content creators in mind, and you can feel that the moment you start using it. One of the biggest highlights here is image quality. The Ace Pro 2 uses a larger sensor and a premium lens design, which helps capture more detail and better dynamic range compared to many standard action cameras. Colors look rich, shadows hold more information, and overall footage feels closer to what you'd expect from a higher-end camera system. Low light performance is also surprisingly strong for an action camera. Whether you're filming during sunset, indoors, or on cloudy days, the Ace Pro 2 manages to keep footage clean and usable, instead of noisy or washed out. Another feature that makes it very practical is the flip-up screen. Instead of a fixed front display, the screen actually flips up so you can easily frame yourself when vlogging or recording travel clips. It's a small design change, but it makes a huge difference when you're filming solo. Stabilization is also excellent. Fast movements, rough trails, or handheld walking shots still come out smooth and controlled, which helps your videos look more professional without extra editing. Overall, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 feels like a creator-focused action camera. It combines strong image quality, smart design features, and reliable stabilization, making it one of the best choices for people who want both performance and flexibility. On number 1, GoPro Hero 13 Black. Even after all these years, GoPro still sets the standard for what a great action camera should be. The Hero 13 Black delivers incredibly sharp footage with high-resolution video that captures fine details, whether you're filming mountain trails, ocean waves, or fast-paced sports. Colors look vibrant without feeling overdone, and the dynamic range does a great job preserving highlights and shadows in difficult lighting conditions. Of course, one of GoPro's biggest strengths has always been stabilization. The latest version of HyperSmooth keeps footage incredibly steady, even during intense movement. Whether you're running, biking, or mounting the camera to a helmet, the video stays smooth enough to look almost like it was filmed on a gimbal. Durability is another reason GoPro continues to dominate this category. The Hero 13 Black is built to handle harsh environments, from dust and mud to underwater filming. You can take it surfing, snowboarding, or diving without worrying about it slowing you down. The accessory ecosystem is also a major advantage. With so many mounts, cages, and add-ons available, it's easy to adapt the camera to almost any type of shoot. Overall, the GoPro Hero 13 Black delivers the most complete package. Excellent video quality, industry-leading stabilization, and proven durability, which is why it earns the #1 spot on this list.